Good day guys. This training tutorial on how to attach directly documents in BMS such as AIP documents, as-built drawing in PDF, photos, Excel files, Word file, and PowerPoint files, or any important reports to be attached on the specific structures. This training will be separated in two parts. Part 1 will be directly attaching documents on BMS for specific structures. And part 2, there will be scheduling and attaching offline general inspection and principal inspection report that you already done and to be attached on BMS. So first thing first, we have to log into the link which I shared to you by using, of course, your approved username and password. So now I will open the BMS. So I already logged in to my account. So this is the home page of the BMS. So first thing first also, so this one you can select whether in this catalog filter there is by catalog, training, structures only, already PWA, ROMD structure, and PW, PA structures, and third party. So we have to select filters so that we can see everything. But for this one, you should select the structure by framework zone. Select this one and select only the strategic highways so that you can concentrate on these structures only. Okay, select this one. Okay, after that, we'll make one example. If you know already the structure, you can, of course, select here so that you can go directly to the structure that you want to attach the document, important document that you need to attach on that specific structure. But this one, in our example, we're gonna use a Ongnaisa footbridge, which has the structure reference of FV 03094. Okay, click this one. So after this, it will open the uh, entity asset of the Ongnaisa footbridge. Okay, what we have to do is we have to attach the a documents on these structures. Okay, so first thing first, click this document tab and it will open the documents that you can add. So now here you have the option at the bottom. You can add from print template, add multiple, edit in grid, bulk update, zip and download. But here we have to add documents. So click this add button on the bottom left of this screen. Okay, we'll click this one. So now you can create the files you want to attach. So this is very important also. See, it's only 500 MB max. So now we have to choose the file uh, in our computer or where we save the file or documents to be attached on this on NISA footbridge. So click this one. Okay, for example here, sample only. I will attach my Excel February timesheets. This is only example. Okay, click this one, select, and open. And it will be directly attached on this file documents. So fill out this one, title. For example, I will put the sample document attached. Document attach. And then also fill out this one, save the type. So click this one. So documents, subtype. So see technical report, and then leave the status. You can put here, but uh, this is not installed drawing because this is just a document. So you can leave it or put it not applicable. So you can put also the location or the comments you have to put. So put also sample document attach. So after this, you already filled it out, fill out all the important. So click this one, create. So this one will be created on your PMS. So you can see it's taking time. So as you can see now, I have already attached this document here. So if you have more document, you can still add more. But if we avoid using this add multiple because the BMS will go slowly and sometimes it will not upload in the system because of very slow memory of this BMS. So usually we are just using this add button so that it will very easy to attach. So we done already. So go to home screen. Okay, and then it's already been attached there. If you can see, if you open it again, the ONISA, and then go to the document is already there. So that is the fastest way to attach important documents on the specific structures on BMS. So I will make again a part 2 for this scheduling and attaching the GI and PI inspection report on this another video. Thank you.